Hi guys, it's Joe from Britsent here. Many of my students struggle with when and how to use the word such. This is understandable because it can be a bit confusing, especially when it's mixed up with so. Today we'll be demonstrating when and how to use the word such. Okay, so let's have a look. Such can simply be used to mean very or really. For example, she is such a beautiful woman. He has such a sexy voice. We had such a toxic relationship. It's important to note here that such can only be used before nouns or before adjectives with nouns. We can't say she is such beautiful or he has such sexy, because beautiful and sexy are adjectives, and in this case, don't go before the noun. Likewise, we cannot use so before an adjective with a noun. This is a mistake I sometimes find my Korean students make, using so when we should be using such. For example, we wouldn't say, she is so beautiful woman, or he is so handsome man. This is incorrect, and it sounds a bit strange. For these situations, we have to use such. For example, you are such a good student. Such can also be used directly with a noun to emphasize opinion. For example, you are such a character. She is such a genius. He's not such a bad guy. Again, it's important to note that we can't use so here. For example, we can't say, you are so a character. We can also use such, that, to show the result of something. For example, he was such a funny teacher that I couldn't stop laughing. Or, we were such good dancers that we won the competition. Note, we don't actually need to use the word that in these sentences. The meaning stays the same either way. For example, he was such a funny teacher, I couldn't stop laughing. Or, we were such good dancers, we won the competition. An important note, never use pronouns such as this, those, his, your, etc. before such. For example, we don't say this such beautiful city. We say this is such a beautiful city.
This such beautiful, no, this such a beautiful, yeah.
We don't say this such a beautiful city. We say this is such a beautiful city. It was such a lot of fun teaching you in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Have problem, struggle, have struggle, struggle when using, okay.